See ya, Oscar!
Say what? Say what? Yeah.
Yo, what's up, man? The big O is in the house. What's up? Hey, Reese. Yo, Johnson, is it lunch yet? You just got here. That's my point. Hey, headphone guy. Looking good, lady. Yeah, keep up the bad work. Huh? I'm already punched in. Angie.
Good morning. Can I help you?
One wash and lube, please.
Hot wax?
Please.
Kelp's great. We're having special. What do you say?
Why not? It's mating season, and I'm feeling lucky.
Sykes whale wash, whale of a wash, and the price? Oh my gosh. Oh, may I suggest a barnacle peel? Removes lines and salt damage. Good.
Hey, Ange.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Oscar.
Hey, thanks for covering for me. Yo, I'm sorry, Dunn. Angie needs to get her freak on. Would you hold for one moment, please? Thanks, dog.
Oscar.
Come on, Ange. Dance with me, mama.
Hey!
Let me see it. Tomorrow,
Oh.
I'm be rich. Come on, Ange.
Oscar, you're gonna get me fired.
Please, you fired? Nah, that can't happen, because then I would have absolutely no reason to come to work.
Oh, you don't mean that.
Well, of course I do. You're like my best friend. Listen, tell me what you think about this. This is like the best idea ever, all right? It's a sure thing, guaranteed cash extravaganza. Bottled water.
Oh, no.
Now, all I need is another advance on my paycheck from the boss, and Ange, I am out of this place. I mean, I'm phew.
Oscar, instead of getting in Mr. Sykes' face with another one of your get-rich-quick schemes, go do something you're actually good at. Your job, which by some miracle you still have.
Oh, almost forgot. I brought you some breakfast.
You didn't.
Mm-hmm.
Kelpie creams?
Your favorite. Oh, by the way, you're still on hold.
Oh my gosh! Thank you for holding. Busy, busy, busy. Oh, how can I help you? No, I'm sorry. Mr. Sykes is at a meeting right now. Won't be back till later.